Thinking about condo living in Sarnia? In 2025, more buyers than ever are looking at condos for their convenience, lifestyle, and investment potential. But is it the right choice for you? Let's break down what you need to know before making the move. Hi, I'm Phil Sina with Blue Coast Realty, your local expert in Sarnia-Lambton real estate. We have helped many buyers and sellers navigate the condo market from waterfront high rises to downtown units. And here's what matters the most. The first big advantage of condos is convenience. Yard work, snow removal, and exterior repairs are usually handled by the condo corporation, giving you more free time and less stress. Many retirees in downtown Sarnia love the low maintenance lifestyle paired with waterfront views. Condos also come with lifestyle amenities like gyms, pools, social spaces, and security. A recent buyer near Centennial Park loved being able to walk to restaurants and events while enjoying on-site fitness facilities. But do not forget the costs. In addition to your mortgage, you will pay monthly condo fees, which can vary widely. Some cover heat, water, and insurance, while others cover only exterior upkeep. It's critical to review what's included and understand the financial health of the condo corporation before buying. Condos also have rules and restrictions. Bylaws may cover pets, rentals, renovations, and noise. These protect property values, but not every buyer finds them appealing. For example, One Point Edward condo complex allows small pets, while others in Sarnia are stricter. Always review the status certificate before committing. When it comes to resale and investment, condos can be a solid choice, especially in desirable locations like downtown and the waterfront. That said, appreciation may be slower than with single family homes, and older complexes with high fees can limit growth. So, is condo living right for you? If you value convenience, lifestyle amenities, and a lock and leave lifestyle, condos can be a perfect fit. But they do come with extra cost and community rules that not everyone will love. At Blue Coast Realty, we help clients navigate the condo market with confidence, from reviewing fees and bylaws to finding the right location. We'll guide you through the process. If you are considering condo living in 2025, let's explore the best options for you in Sarnia.